Okay, in this video I'm also still on page 270. Now we're down to example number 2. Okay, example 2 says write an algebraic expression for the word expression. 30 more than the product of 4 and x. Okay, so start with the product of 4 and x, then find 30 more than the product. So the product of 4 and x would be written as 4 times x. So we have that, and we brought it down here. 30 more than the product, that would be 30 more than the product, the answer to 4 times x. So we would rewrite this wording as 30 more than the product. Product means I'm multiplying 4 and x, 4 times x. Okay. Part B, 4 times the sum of x and 30. Now, I'm going to show you how they're doing it, but I prefer to do it a different way, actually. It's my own personal opinion, but I'll show you both ways, and you can decide. So their method says start with the sum of x and 30. So the sum of x and 30 would be written as x plus 30, because sum means we're adding. And what are we adding? X and 30. So x plus 30. And then 4 times that sum means 4 times that sum, whatever x plus 30 equals. Now that's how they suggest it. My personal suggestion is to start at the left and go right. So I usually do this. I start here. Okay, 4, I know what to write for that. 4. The word times, I know what to write for that. Multiplication. Sum, now this is where it gets a little tricky. Sum, but the sum of what? X and 30. X and 30. Now it can get tricky because see, you have a times and then this variable x right here. Okay? And you need to realize, okay, I need to find the sum of this, the sum of this. And so this x plus 30 needs to go in parentheses. Now, it worked a little easier on example A where I went down the line 30, more means plus, product, multiply, what are you multiplying? 4 and x. It does get a little tricky, I will admit it. It makes it more challenging when there are parentheses needed, okay? But again, either way, you just have to go slow and think, okay, what do these words mean? Sum of, the sum, so when you add of, what are you adding? X and 30, okay? And then 4 times that would just be 4 times whatever you get for the sum meaning plus, x plus 30. And we're doing 4 times this. Okay, so again, it does get a little tricky when they ask you to write them. This is not easy. That's why you got to go slow, read the words carefully, and think, what does each word mean? All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.